ExactFlat for Rhino.
The ExactFlat grain tool is used to create user-defined grain lines. ExactFlat automatically assigns the horizontal x-axis to pattern pieces as the grain line. The grain line tool assigns a custom grain line to a pattern piece by selecting a triangle edge with the same orientation as the desired grain edge. The grain line tool also allows you to turn on and off global target strain. Start the tool by clicking the EF grain tool icon on the ExactFlat toolbar. With this tool, you can add a grain line to a piece without a user-assigned grain line with no global target strain, or add a grain line and turn on global target strain.